What's up, C Squad?
It's Nigel C.
And Daddy C.
Of Daddy's Son.
Kick Talk.
And today we're kick talking about
a highly anticipated shoe that we just glad to have in hand so we can bring it to y'all. This is an early look, first look. We're talking about, that's right, you see the box. It's the Nike SB, but this is the upcoming Yuto Horigome Nike SB Dunk Low. And man,
yeah,
can't wait to get into this. Before we get into the box, Nigel, if it's their first time here, what should they do?
If it's your first time here, you know you gotta hit that subscribe button with that notification bell right next to it. Get that bell ringing like it's Liberty, you feel me?
Yeah, Liberty Bell. And if you've been here before, thanks for rocking with us, coming back. We appreciate the love and support.
Yeah.
Vibe with our content, all the comments and conversations we're having here.
Much
on
thanks.
Instagram, Every Old Daddy C, YouTube, everywhere. Appreciate you.
Yeah.
All right, so now that's out of the way, I'm going to get the shoes out the box first, and then we can talk about Yuto Horigome and what these shoes are giving. And
What
this is a clean colorway shoe to me.
They're going for a real mature look with the dunks here.
Yeah, this is like a nice, clean colorway. Nothing like crazy or outlandish, right? But very wearable. And some are even calling this the best SB release of the year. Like people, it's anticipated like that.
It's like that?
Yeah, like that. The Yuto Horigome.
Oh, wow.
Nike SB.
No, I got it in hand now. I can feel like the
plushness on that suede.
The suede is so like smooth.
It's rich. It's like
real
just a
rich.
Nice buttery smooth suede. And the shoe here, let's see. Let's bring that in here. And let's talk about Yuto Horigome. Then we're going to break down the shoe.
Right.
Cool?
Yeah.
So you're not familiar with Yuto?
Nah.
All right. So Yuto Horigome is a Japanese pro skater, right? Broke history though, made history by being the first Olympic gold medalist in skateboarding when they brought that to the Olympics. It was at 2020 Summer Olympics. They played in 2021, but it was the Summer Olympics of 2020 in Tokyo, Japan. So it was the Tokyo Games. He was the first person, he started skating when he was like 7 years old, won a bunch of awards like all his life in skating. He was like 3 gold medals in the X Games. And then of course, breaking the barrier in the Olympics. And of course, to celebrate all of that, Nike SB said, we got to do a collab with this guy, right?
That's fine.
He's like the man internationally on the skate scene, and he's young.
That's tough how they like actually incorporating, skateboarders that have like made a mark into the shoes now.
Yeah, that's what you want, right? If you're gonna do a collab with a skateboarder, it should be somebody that is doing something, pushing the sport forward, and it was a big deal because skateboarding coming into the Olympics. That's a big deal in itself.
And he got some gold. He like ranked in skateboarding Olympically.
Yeah, number one.
Like imagine I'm in the Olympics, and they're like, what do you do in the Olympics? I'm a skateboarder,
right?
And I'm ranked. I got my medals and stuff too. That's hard.
He's doing all kinds of stuff.
So there's Tony Hawk.
Exactly. Tony Hawk was the other one. Sean White.
That's a snowboarder. But he was in X Games too, right?
Yeah. Damn. So it's like all of those extreme sports. It becomes so popular, right? Like people are really into it. You can't just ignore that when you're doing the Olympic Games.
No,
it's the same sports that's been forever. It's like that's adding some new stuff.
Right, the sport's popping. Every sport was made at some point anyway. So
exactly.
If something's coming up, why not include it?
Yep, invented some things, whatever, and people that are pushing it forward.
So how does the shoe represent Yuto?
So he's been. He knows his way around a skate shoe. He's in them all the time, obviously. He loves the performance pieces. And the Nike SB, that SB Dunk is built for skateboarding. All the cushioning and the padding and the zoom pouch and everything that, gives you that. And the low profile on the front for that board feel. But that's just the overall makeup of the shoe. But what he do with the design, he just kept
colors,
it. The colors are just...
It's just some it's got like a Neapolitan feel.
It does.
Like the pink and brown and white right here.
You're right. That's true.
It's like a bowl of ice cream.
Bowl of ice cream.
You got this grayish blue. That's the bowl.
Yeah, exactly.
And then you got your Neapolitan ice cream inside.
That makes sense to me. Like a Neapolitan. He went with the ice cream vibe.
Yeah.
It does come with some extra laces, so you get the white laces, so you get vanilla laces, strawberry, and chocolate.
Right.
That Neapolitan vibe, like Nigel said. And then let's see, you getting that blue-gray. I've seen a lot of pictures, and sometimes it looks blue-gray. Sometimes look just gray.
Yeah, I'm trying to decipher this right here.
Yeah, I think it's definitely like a blue-gray that's going on here, right?
And then is this a green gray?
On the swoosh?
Or just a gray?
Yeah, I think the swoosh is just gray, like just straight regular gray. And that's all, the white is giving you just bright white leather on the forefoot and the side panels.
It's really like, it's a nice selection of colors. It's not even like it doesn't seem like it has like a theme or something that it's supposed to be looking like. It's just
it's easy.
Like a little art piece. You just put the colors.
Yeah, it's easy. I think it's wearable.
Each other. Yeah,
agreed. Right, and I think that's why people, people been really looking forward to this shoe, right? So there was the Crenshaw skate dunks that we got, a couple weeks ago. Run the Jewels, that was another big SB drop this year. But this one is like, I think the average regular person can wear it. If you skate, you can wear it.
Yeah.
If I'm going in the office and I'm throwing some khakis, I could wear it, and it's just low key and cool.
It is like that. Like I could see this in a business environment too.
Right.
But also like in your casual environments.
Yeah.
Like it's cool.
So yeah, super wearable. Oh, I also forgot too, his little insignia that's on the back heel.
Yeah, I was wondering what this is.
Yeah, so that is like 2 feathers that are crossed, and supposedly that's his family's crest. Like there, people have like coat of arms in Europe and stuff like that. Yeah, like his family insignia.
Wow.
Like 2 feathers that are crossed. I don't know what it actually signifies, but it's something.
But he repping his family on the shoe. That's hard.
Yeah. You got pink and brown. So of course on the outsole, you got that brown outsole and that pink to tie back into the heel.
And he got his name on the tongue here too.
Yeah,
got the Nike SB Yuto Horigome on the bottom.
There you go.
And the crest on the back of the tongue too.
Ah, you're right. And that tongue is all like a nylon. So a lot of times you get like a leather padded tongue, or they change up the materials, but this one is nylon, and it's not as padded as some, there's been a move. So just looking at, I'll just pull these down for a second. Looking at the Crenshaw skate dunks, I mean, these are padded, but not as padded as some of the SBs were in the past.
You're saying these feel like thicker than
They feel thicker than these, but not as thick as this, right? So that's
wow,
like, the older SBs is like a pillow, like super thick tongue.
Right, I didn't even,
This is thinner.
I didn't even realize that was happening.
Yeah, they slimmed it down, and this is really slimmed down.
Wow.
So I don't know what the thinking is behind that, but they're doing something to, just
kind of like
that
the
up.
thick tongue, because it's like the SB is supposed to be like them shoes that you can kind of wear comfortably,
Yeah, I agree. I mean,
thick tongue is like it adds to it.
Yeah, it does, because it's like around that ankle area in front of your foot, nice little padded section.
Right.
I don't know, but maybe for skating and people, they're doing tricks and jumps and ollies and all that, kick flips. Maybe this adds a little
like mobility.
Yeah. I don't know, but you got your typical padding in the back inside the shoe. You got a white inner collar here, and let's get to the insole.
The insole is hard. I'm looking at it too.
So you got your typical SB insoles, your memory foam, right? Your zoom pouch, of course, in the back. And then on the other side, you've got Nike SB, and you've got that family crest with the double feathers intertwined.
Yeah.
And then all these little pictures on there. Actually, what those are cherry blossom petals. Which that cherry blossom is the national flower of Japan. Which is wild. So a lot of little hints in here. Nice. A little homage to his country, his family. And again, just an overall clean colorway.
Yeah.
I think the insoles are cool.
See, I like it because it's like, he's repping his family on the shoe.
Yeah.
And on the insole.
Yeah.
And his nation. He got the cherry blossoms on here.
Right.
And, he's getting Olympics. He's getting Olympic medals in skateboarding and getting SB collabs. And while doing all those big things, he's still, bringing it back to where he's from.
Yeah.
That's what's most important.
That's right.
Remember that.
Bring
family.
Don't forget home. Don't forget your family. So, all right. Rating wise, man, what we thinking? What you got, Nigel?
Yeah. Like I just said, all of the above. I'm probably going to have to give this like a little, I want to say 10.
10?
I want to say 10 out of 10.
Okay.
Because I'm really thinking, all those things I just said, and it's honestly just a nice shoe. I can't lie, the colors work together well.
Yeah.
I think it looks good, and I'm gonna give it a 10.
10 out of 10.
How you feel?
I mean, it's definitely on my must-cop list. So this pair was provided by my guy Wes at Be More Sneakers. Make sure you hit them up. online. He finds all the deals. He's got stuff out there. But these are provided for content, and this pair is on my list, man. So I'm going for sure a 10.
Oh,
I think it's a solid entry into the SB Dunk class of 2023.
I thought you were going to disagree with me.
Disagree? No,
But no, I think it's a 10.
Yeah, they're definitely on my list, man, big time.
Yeah.
So I'm excited for these. Glad to get a pair in hands. We can bring them to y'all. What do y'all think about them?
Are they dunk of the year?
Are they dunk of the year? Are they on your cop list? And they drop August 26th. They're gonna be for 1:30. Skate shops are gonna be dropping. I want to say the 20. No, I take that back. It's August 25th at skate shops. Then August 29th on the sneakers app.
Yeah.
So hit up all your raffles, your skate shops. They're gonna be tough to get. Seeing somewhere around like 50,000 pairs. I don't know if that's real or not, but that's the reports I'm hearing so far. And we know Nike SBs has just only been growing and growing and growing. So thanks for hanging out on this one. Good luck. Come back and let us know how you did. We'll see you on the next one.
Peace.
Peace.